Welcome back, dancers. I have another dance along and tutorial for you today, and we are going to be learning Rita's Waltz. This is a lovely beginner's waltz. It's only 24 counts, very repetitive in the steps, but I love we can just kind of get into that feel, that sway, that kind of swing that waltzes really bring out in all of us as dancers. So I'm so glad that you are here. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jenna, and I am the owner of Bomiart Movement Society. I have the passion to be able to create and share inclusive line dances and fitness for everybody, especially as we are aging. So, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. If you are ready, though, let's get dancing. We have a clear space, comfortable shoes, and comfortable clothing as always. Make sure that you can dance along with me. All right, here we go. We're going to start with that left foot. We're going to step forward on the left. We're going to go left together, right, and then we're going to step on that left foot. So shifting that weight into that left foot again. So it goes left, right, left. And then we're going to repeat that same thing going to the back, starting with the right foot. It's going to go right, left, right. And then again, we go 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. So you start to feel that swing in the body. All right. So let's do that one more time. And as you get more comfortable with this as well, you can always kind of add that upper body. I know for me, it's really hard to keep my upper body still, especially for that waltz. So feel free to do what you need here. Okay. So we're going to just take that little waltz forwards and backwards 2 times. So it goes left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. One thing about our waltz is every single time that we are stepping, we are putting weight on that foot as well. So if you're wondering, like, oh, I'm on my wrong foot, just make sure that you're actually shifting your weight into that foot each and every time. So there's no touches involved on this dance. All right, let's try that one more time from the top. 6, 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. So that weight is going to end with that right foot. We got our weight on that right foot. Then from here, we're going to take our little twinkle over to the left, or excuse me, our right, but the left foot's going to cross over. So it's going to go left, right, left. So I'm just crossing that foot over, left, open out on that right foot, and then I'm shifting my weight back to that left foot. And if we don't want to cross, we sure don't have to. We could go together, open, open, and then we repeat it to our left, crossing that right foot over. Right, left, right. One more time. Left, right, left. So let me show you that whole thing with the feet crossing, and then I'll demonstrate it without crossing over. So we just had our last wall step to the back. We're going to go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you can see that I'm crossing my feet. Here it is without crossing. So we just had our back step. We're going to go together, out, in, together, out, in, together, out, in again. There. Okay. So decide what you need to do for your own feet. Let's try that one more time and then we'll finish that off. So we're going to cross it 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then today we're going to walk it right, left, right. I'm making a quarter turn over our left shoulder. And we're just making that, like I said, just that little quarter turn, just right, left, right. Weight is on that right foot. And then we would be ready to start the whole dance again, starting forward with that left foot. So let's start that whole dance from the top, nice and slow. Starting with that left foot, we're taking those little waltz balances forward. We got 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. And a back as we go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and walk 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3 to go 1. As we're taking those steps, things can be big, things can be small. What feels right for us today? Again, we can use that upper body as much or as little as we like, crossing those feet, taking as much space as we want. And 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3 to cross, and 2, and 3, and back to the top. All right. So feel free to stay right where you are or go back. Keep working on those steps. And if the aerial view of the footwork is really helpful for you, you're going to stay right where you are. Here we go. Here is the aerial footwork of our Rita's Waltz. Stepping forward on that left. We got left. Bring your right foot together and then you shift that weight to the left. And then we go back. Right, left, right again. Left, right, left, and a right, left, right. Here's the cross. Cross, side, switch, cross, side, switch, cross, side, switch, and right, left, right. To go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Bum, ba, back. And we walk, and we cross, and we cross, and we walk, walk, walk to go forward again on that left foot. And there is the aerial footwork for Rita's Waltz. When you're ready, here we go. Let's dance to our music. Left foot forward as we go. And back. And the front. And back. Cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Walk. And that quarter turn to go 1. As we cross it over 1, and quarter turn 1, and a back, and front, and a back, and a 1, 2, 3, cross 2, 3, cross 2, 3, walk 2, 3, left, and a back, little sway. Balance it out. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cross 2, 3. Walk 2, 3. 1. And back. And a front. And a back. And a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Walk. Easy does it here. So nice and easy breath. And a 1. And a 2. And a 3. And a 1, 2, 3. Front. And a back. Good, making those choices for that upper body. And a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go forward. And back. And a front. And a back. And a 1. And 2. And 3. And a walk. 2, 3. Go forward. And a back. And back. And a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Quarter turn 1. And a back. And a front. And a back. And 1. And 2. Good. Find that easy flow for ourselves as we bring it in. And 1. And 2. Good. You can maybe even imagine that you're dancing with somebody as well as we turn ourselves. And back. 1. And cross it up. Out. Wonderful job, and we'll finish right there. Thank you so much for dancing along with me today. I know my heart is more full because you have chosen to dance with me. So thank you so much. I hope you are proud of yourself. You're taking care of that mental, physical, and emotional health every single time that you dance. So I hope you're proud of yourselves, and I can't wait to see you in this next video. All right, bye everybody.